jungle.
So before begin, head on to the working directory and open the Docker Compose file and add this tag at the end of every image that we are using. So at the end of the CLI image we are adding this tag, and another file is inside the base directory and the Docker Compose base YAML file. So here we are using the order image, so here add the tag, and the third file is the peer base YAML file, so add the tag here also. After adding the tag, we see that we have a fully annotated script file that we will be using to generate certificates and Genesis block and start our network. So first of all, execute the script. Here you will see that we have different tags. -C is used to define the channel name, or if you don't give any channel name to the script, then by default my channel will be used. After that, -M tag, the mode tag will be used to either you want to generate certificates, or you are starting the network, or you are restarting the network, or stopping the network. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to generate the certificates and the Genesis block using the script. So execute the following command. That is with mode generate, and hit enter key. So it will prompt you, press Y and hit enter key. Here you see that in the output we have been given information that we have generated the certificate using the CryptoGen tool, and we are generating an order Genesis block and a channel TX configuration file that will be further used to start our channel. So if you want to verify that these files are created, so move to the channel artifacts directory, and here you will see all of the files are created here. So after generating the certificates and the Genesis block, we are going to start our network. So all of the commands that are used to start the network, that is used to add the peers to the channel and creating the channel, are already listed in the script. So we just have to bring the network up. So type the following command: -mode up, and hit enter key. Sorry, I'm missing the sh, and hit enter key. So it will prompt you that you want to start the channel that is created by the name my channel. So press Y and hit enter key. So here it will create the peers. Wait. So we are already running our containers. To start the network, first make sure that you have removed all the Docker images and you have stopped all the containers before starting the network. So first remove all the images. So this will remove all the images that are already running. So you can check by executing the command docker ps -a. So well, you are good to go. Now execute the script again. So after generating the certificates and the Genesis block, we are going to start our network. So follow the same command, -M up, and hit enter key. Press Y and hit enter key. So at this time you see we are creating the containers from the beginning. This will create lots of logs, so wait for it to complete all the tasks that are defined in the script. So you may face an error, or you might be in a situation in which you are waiting at this position in which we are trying to instantiate the chain code on peer 2, but it's waiting for long time. So this might occur because we have started the script for multiple times. I mean that before starting the script we have to bring down the network that is already running. So to solve this problem, we first have to bring down the network that is already running. So bfn search. So this will stop all the containers and will remove all the images that are already running. So wait for it. So at this point we have removed all the containers that were already running. So the environment is set up to run the script and start the channel from the beginning. So we can type the same command and change the mode to up and hit enter key. This time it will again prompt you that you want to start channel. So hit press Y and hit enter key. So wait for it, and this time it will execute completely, and at the end of the logs it will print out an end. So upon successful execution of the script, you will see this output right here. So congratulations, you have successfully simulated your first Hyperledger Fabric network. So let's recap what we have done in this session. So first of all, we have generated the certificates and Genesis block using the following command, which results in this output. That is, first of all, we have generated the certificates using the CryptoGen tool, and then we have created the Genesis block, and we have created the 3 transaction configuration files that will be used further to start the network. So after generating the certificates, we then execute the following command to bring up the network. So the following command is doing the following things. It is first creating the channel, then after creating the channel we are adding all the 4 peers to the channel, and finally we are installing and instantiating the chain code on top of each peer. So you can see here, first of all the channel is created successfully. After that we have added the peers. So peer 0 joined the channel, similarly peer 1 joined the channel, and peer 2 joined the channel. All of the 4 peers have joined the channel. After joining the channel, we have installed and instantiated the chain code on top of each peer. So first of all we have chain code installed on top of peer 0, then we have installed the chain code on peer 2. At this place what we have faced, we were in a situation that while instantiating the chain code on peer 2 we were waiting for long period of time. So that might occur because we were running 2 scripts at the same time. What does this mean? It means that before starting the script or before bringing up the network, we first have to make sure that there is no instance of script running before. So before starting the script and bringing up the network, first make sure that all the Docker images and containers are not running. So before starting network, make sure that you have no Docker containers related to the Hyperledger network running. So remove all the containers, or bring down the network and then bring up the network again. That will solve the issue. So after bringing up the network, we see that we have this output at the end, which makes sure that the script is executed successfully. So in the next session, we will be doing all these stuff by ourselves. We will be generating certificates, we will be creating the channel, we will be adding peers to the channel, and we will be installing and instantiating chain codes on top of each peer by ourselves.